Now when it comes to rolling up your shirt sleeves, sometimes it's for the heat, other times it's because you're gearing up for action. Either way, rolling your sleeves isn't just practical, it's a statement. Think Henry Cavill loading his arms before a fight, Daniel Craig fixing a problem with style, John Wick preparing for chaos. In any of these cases, the movement's always smooth, always intentional. And in today's video, gents, I'm breaking out the 5 sleeve rolls you need to know to stay sharp, to stay cool, and own that effortless sprezzatura look. To start, first unbutton your cuffs. And be sure to unbutton the gauntlet as well. The first method is the AIFA roll, also known as the forearm roll. Very quick, very easy. Roll the shirt once, using the cuff as your guide. Then simply roll again. This is a very casual looking roll, and its only problem is it's easy to come undone throughout the day. Next, we have the basic shirt sleeve roll. It starts out the same as the AIFA roll, rolling the cuff twice. The only difference is you're going to roll it a third time. This roll sits a little bit higher up the arm and it won't come undone as easily as the AIFA roll. Next up is the high roller. It starts the same as both the AIFA and the basic roll, but instead of stopping at 2 or 3 rolls, you're going to roll it a 4th time to well above the elbow. This roll looks good if you've got muscular arms, and it's very useful for work situations when you want to keep your sleeves nice and clean. The 4th roll on this list is my favorite, the master roll. For this one, you will put the cuff further up the sleeve, then fold the excess fabric over it. This results in a very clean looking roll, one that will not come undone throughout the day. And best of all, when you want to unroll your shirt sleeves, one quick pull of the cuff is all it takes. Finally, we have the old school garter roll. Not seen very often, this uses sleeve garters, although you can substitute with a rubber band. Pull the garter partway up your arm, then slide the whole sleeve up the desired height. Cover the garter with the excess fabric and you're done. Though not technically a roll, this method creates a very clean look that won't fall down easily. And that's it, gents. 5 pro sleeve rolls to keep you looking sharp while staying cool. Whether you're rocking the AIFA roll for a laid-back vibe or locking it in with the garter roll, the way you roll your sleeves matters. Which roll is your go-to? Drop a comment below. I want to hear your style move. Now, if you're looking to level up your style, you really need to check out my free community over on School. I've set this community up so we've got free classes that you can make your way through step by step and learn the basic foundations of men's style. We actually have giveaways. In fact, this year alone, I've given away over $25,000 in gear that has accumulated here in my office, and I love sending it out to you guys free of charge. And I have to say, the men that are in this group are friggin' awesome. We've got a no a-hole policy. People treat each other with respect. And what we've managed to create in this community is a place where a man can come in and ask questions and get some solid advice. So gents, use the link in the description of today's video. Go check out our free communities on School. These are for you to become the man you know yourself to be. All right, gents, so what did I miss? What would you add to this video? Let me know in the comments below, and keep watching here at Real Men Real Style. You guys know I want you to become the man you know yourself to be. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, maybe share it with a guy that could use it. And yeah, keep passing this stuff around. Go check out this video right here. Take care, guys. I will see you in the next one.